Hi friends, this is one of Miss Sheila's absolute favorite stories. It's called Bear Snores On. Some of you probably have this at your house. It was written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. So there's our title right on the bottom, Bear Snores On. Oh, look, it looks like it's winter. Kind of looks like outside our houses. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. So he's right there sleeping in his house. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." They pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, and perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But Bear snores on. The gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the big bear's den. But they tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, chew! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumples. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. "You snuck in my lair, you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." He whimpers and he moans while he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Oh, Bear woke up, and now he can't go back to sleep. That's silly old Bear. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later.